guys, we're doing a farm review over at our farm. Let's go. It's not really a farm, it's really a running place, but oh well.
Of living on a farm is stuff runs out of gas all the time. So my son, it is 6:07. My son has sent me down here. I am starving, but his little four-wheeler ran out of gas. So I got some gas station chicken strips and I'm gonna get some gas and then we'll go back to the house. Y'all look at these country kids. Which, don't get me wrong, I would much rather them be outside playing. One of them's on a four-wheeler. Let me see if I can get, look at this. What are you doing, Braxton? What are you doing?
Putting it on 2 wheels.
Okay. Hey. Boo-boo, bring this to Mama, tell her to tie her over until supper.
What is this?
And this one needed gas.
Hey, let me see. What are you doing?
Where's your four-wheeler?
Over there.
Okay.
Because he has to take me over there to get it.
So we're gonna fill them up on gas. Gray and Briley K are taking some videos too. And Braxton. Today, my little girl had her heart appointment. Everything went well. We went to the gym. I'll post a picture of that. It's hilarious. She's like a little personal trainer. I wanted to do 10 reps. She made me do 12. She's quite rude. So we'll catalog a few more things around the farm this week.
He's a nerd.
You're a nerd.
He's a bigger nerd.
And we'll post a video later this weekend.
We're starting off little and onto the big. We're starting off with the Kawasaki FX. She might be little, but we're working on a Kawasaki 650 Prairie. She's 50cc and I named her Toto. On to the Razors. This is Solar Flare. She's been there for the highs and the lows. She can tow about everything. You haven't towed anything. She has mud grip. Pause. Okay, about that. So on to the crotch rocket.
This is the crotch rocket. It is 200. Rocket. It has towed a lot of stuff, and it's been there for the highs and the lows.
On to camp. Let's go. We're at camp, but over the storm, she's ruined. Let's take a quick look inside. As you see, it's not going on good. And that's great undies. Alright, y'all want to see? We're going to go try to find some farm animals. Let's go. Alright, that's our old horse. She used to be in racing, but now she's in retirement. She's 15. And her name's Claire.